Come here. Well, welcome back to the channel. We've got ourselves a nice little spot right in the river here. I've driven by this spot a few times and always had my eye on it, so I figured we'd come check it out. I'm going to get Starlink booted up here in a minute just so we can see what kind of coverage we have. We have quite a few trees around. I want to see if I can be able to work remotely from here with Starlink. Anyways, we are just going to get camp set up. We've got a nice, cozy, comfort, childhood dinner planned for tonight. I'm excited about that. And my main goal is to not let Hudson get in the water tonight. He loves to swim. And there's a nice little creek right here with some very cold water. Hope you enjoy the video. You gonna help, bud? All right, watch out, watch out. Chain came off. Let's see if we figure out how to fix this. Might have figured it out. Thought I might do that. I put the chain on backwards. Well, it's a first for everyone. That's funny. I assume if we flip it, that'll be good. I'm sure I'll get roasted in the comments for how I'm doing this, but it seems to be working. All right, let's see if this works now. Come here, bud. Oh yeah. Tell you what, it smells like Christmas. It smells so good. Well, we just had a pretty incredible sunset. I put the drone up because we're tucked down into this valley, so we can't really see out too much. A little bit of a surprise after the cloudy day that we had. I mentioned that we have a childhood favorite meal that we are going to cook tonight. Not healthy, but it's comfort food, and I haven't had it in quite some time. We are making Hamburger Helper cheeseburger macaroni. I have ate so much of this as a kid. It was my favorite meal. My mom definitely made it quite a bit for me. So we're gonna cook this up tonight. It's been so long I don't remember the directions. Yep, meat first. Almost 800 milligrams of sodium. Sugars aren't actually bad at all. 1 gram of added sugar. 4 grams of protein. Not going to get my daily allotment of protein from this. Actually only 380 calories. No, sorry, I was looking at the serving size. Over 2,000 milligrams of sodium. That seems like a lot, but also I'm not shocked. All I know is this is not particularly healthy for you. But gotta indulge every once in a while, right? Well, that was incredibly easy to make. Mom, I might get why you made this so much. All right, let's give this a go. That brings me back. Oh, I had so much of this growing up. We are just winding down after dinner. Hudson wants to be in the trailer like usual. We're going to have some dessert here in a little bit, and then probably turn on the diesel heater, get in the trailer, and call it a night. We got some peach cobbler. I saw this on another YouTuber's video, Hunter Polly. Recommended this, so we're going to give it a go. Lay down. Lay down. It'll take him a minute. Okay. Good. All right. Tastes like cobbler. Morning. We slept great last night. Got down to about 27 overnight. We stayed about 70 to 75 in the trailer with the diesel heater, so we were comfortable. This water is crystal clear and actually not as cold as I thought it would be. Oh no! We had a runaway egg. Oh no! I got another. All right, let's try this again. What's that yolk? Oh well. That's a good egg right there. This one, collateral damage. So much trash. It's disappointing. It's wild that this is still February. It's supposed to get up to, I think, 50 today. Usually this should be covered in snow and it should be below freezing. But we'll take it. Just been having a slow morning, slowly starting to pack up. What's wild is I have actually almost perfect Starlink coverage here. I thought it would be a lot worse. So I think we'll definitely be back come spring and summer. Work from here remotely for a few days. It's a pretty good spot.